Hi everyone! It's Ria and this is Just Life TV. Welcome back to my channel. Mali yata yung spill ko. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ria Se and this is Just Life TV. And check it out guys. We're back in Davao Oriental. Mali ako. But check it out guys. We're back in Davao Oriental. Yes. Welcome Park beside Cafe Pintatagan. So this is where the popular welcome to Davao Oriental signage is. So this is where we're gonna have our breakfast. So finally, after 10 hours, charot lang. After how many hours yun? 1 hour lang siguro, no? So we're finally at the dulo of the dulo. I actually don't know. This is called Darport. That's the Pacific Ocean, guys. Actually, look at where I am. Oh, come on. Hello po. So, bale, this is the first time I'm gonna like do any form of physical activity na outdoors in a long time. Kaya lang. Kaya lang. Lisod-lisod pa ganing Lake-Kulon gamay. I think okay na ako sa van. Okay. Yeah, kaya sa van. Anong gagawin natin? Nasa buwan mo. Nasa sa doon sa ganing pa. Sapa mo. Anong pangalan ng sapa? Sapa rin mo. Oh, baba na to ng hamitan. Tama ba? Baba. Anong pangalan mo kuya? Jeffrey. Hatiin po ang grupo sa mga brave at not brave. Doon talaga ako sa not brave. So we cross that. Di ba kayo naaga dito sa atin? Tamo. Guys, nagulat ako because look at that. Saan siya? Ayun, oh. I cannot. I shook it. So guys, ma-appreciate nyo ha? Nag-trekking ako nagka-camera. Buang mo. Kailangan ko ng award. After 25 minutes of trekking, I give up. Like, I can feel that my body can still do it, but mentally, I cannot anymore. It's too uncomfortable for me. So, nagpapakatotoo lang ako, guys. I cannot. Grabe ka uncomfortable kasi basa yung shoes and makati. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Whew. Okay, I'm game. Oo. Paharap man pa ganun. So, laban lang tayo, no? Presence of mind lang doon. Wala, sira na talaga rubber shoes ko. Suddenly, it's 11:30 AM. Grabe. Hindi pa rin naman ako umitim. Goal ko sana umitim kahit konti. So, I'm not sure if I will still go with the Manay track later kasi my rubber shoes has given up on me. I think it's still buo pero natanggal na yung ibang design elements niya. And I'm just gonna rest here. Ang sarap ng breeze ng hangin, guys. So good. Ayan na. Mahangin. I love it. Lunch time. It's 2:30 and we're back in the van. Yeah, my brain's not functioning properly anymore. We already had lunch and nag-freshen up kami. And now we're on our way to Manay. Ang problema namin ngayon is if we will arrive right before sunset. Dapat maabutan.
Iba talaga ang video content.
It's 8:30 PM and gutom na kami. Let's go. Let's go sa go. Let's eat. Wag na magpanggap. Good morning. It's July 21. I actually woke up a few minutes ago, around 30 minutes ago. It's almost 7 AM and we're still here at Davao Oriental. We stayed at the Subangan Museum Hotel. I think it's what it's called. I think it's owned by the LGU. Are there, and then somewhere over there, there's a museum, and then I just noticed there's a dog pala. So umalis tayo dito sa area na to. Wait lang, nagpa-fog yung aking camera. We're waiting for the others to wake up. Good morning. So it's now, I forgot what time it is. We're already here at Dahican. Pareho kami ng script ni Mike. But I'm not sure which resort or beachfront this is, but let's go. Amihan. So this is Amihan. So this is usually where the surfers stay at. It has a parang open layout lang, but you can sleep in tents, duyan, whatever. So let's see. Tagal ko na hindi nakapunta dito. Morning. Here at Amihan, and bilang isang tunay na tita, ayun, nakaupo lang ako dito. We rented the table and chairs for 150 pesos only. I'm wearing pala my Aerisem and check out my tan, guys. Stay golden! Mas golden! Kasi dito yung side ng van. Hindi sila pantay. So anyway, this is the Aerisem na bra top. And then, I'm wearing my earrings. Yung clay earrings na mermaid tail. Saan nila ako? Mag-braid ba daw ako? Hi kayo! Malapit na matapos. Hi kayo! Ano nga pangalan mo? Para alam mo. Ano pangalan mo? Maymay. Hanapin niyo si Maymay kung gusto niyo magpa-braid. Huwag kayo magpuripot. Baka 50 pesos na bigay niyo. May pera kayo pandahigan. Lakihan niyo naman yung bayad niyo. Pinipig! So these are mostly locals. Walang no, tourists masyado.
We're back in Subangan Hotel for freshening up and check-out time.
After this, we're just gonna have lunch and then we're going home to Davao. We're back. Yum!
Kami sa Bulaklak. And we have my favorite. May pagkaon sa Planes. Ulit kami after this. Thank you so much. LGU. Matthew.
For watching. I hope you liked this video because I personally am a big fan of Davao Oriental, especially the Hikan. Bye! Thank you for watching!